What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see your blocked list on TikTok app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to on your TikTok app. So after opening the TikTok, what you need to do, you have to go to on your profile icon. You have to click on this. So after going to profile, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner, just like this. Okay, then what you need to do, you have to click on settings and privacy. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. Okay, so after going to settings and privacy, what you need to do, you have to click on privacy option in the second option, just like this. Then you can see here is an option called blocked accounts. You have to scroll all the way down and you will find the option called blocked accounts. You have to click on this. Then if you blocked someone on TikTok, they will appear here. You can pretty much unblock them from here. So this is how you can find your blocked accounts or blocked people on your TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.